Hi guys! Good afternoon! Welcome back sa channel natin. It's currently 12:30 ng tanghali at ngayon lang tayo nakapag-vlog kasi busy si mami niyo kaninang umaga. So, si Ate Paris ay andito pa rin kasi she's still on her 2-week school holidays. And pinaliguan ko silang dalawang magkapatid. They're outside now, they're playing. And now, we are heading to the post office. So, nakapagbihis si mami niyo, ready na kami. But, beforehand, gusto ko munang ipakita sa inyo kung ano yung nabenta ko. And, yeah, I thought that I'm going to share it with you guys kasi hindi ko tong bag na to. I didn't really do like a proper unboxing for it kasi, pakita ko na nga. Kasi, I was worried na I will come across as bragging, alam niyo yung ganun. So, nung binili ko to, I was just like very happy na nabili ko yung bag na gusto ko, bag na crush ko ever since. Pero naipakita ko na to siya sa vlog ko, guys. Pero hindi talaga yung introduction talaga na, oh, ito, binili ko for my birthday kasi binili ko to for my birthday. And ito yung aking Chanel, vintage Chanel to be exact. Binili ko siya for my birthday. I was very happy. I actually made a video pag-unbox ko, but I couldn't bring myself to upload it. Kasi, yun na nga, parang nag-aalala ako na kung ano yung sasabihin ng mga tao, ganito, ganyan. Kasi nga, you know, yung mga tao talaga ay may sinasabi para lang may masabi. Alam mo yung ganun. So, hindi ko pinakita kasi nga, kahit na maliliit na bagay na pinapakita ko sa vlog natin, ay, what's wrong, my love? Ay, hinuhusgahan na ako kaagad na sinasabing materialistic and whatnot. So, I decided, hindi ko na lang hello? Hindi ko na lang i-haul itong bag na to. But, I showed this beautiful bag few times sa vlog na natin na sinuot ko. So, it's my beautiful vintage Chanel square in lambskin leather crossbody bag. Ganyan. But now that I sold the bag, sabi ko, okay, I'm going to like parang last, mag-farewell na ako sa beauty na ito kasi pupunta na siya sa bagong bahay niya. So, may nag-adapt na sa kanya, guys. So, this beauty. I so love this bag. It's super, super nice. You know what? Like, backstory, yeah. I bought this bag because parang naisip ko na special siya kasi I really wanted like a vintage Chanel bag. And my birth year is 1991. So this is series 2, which means I think 1989 to 1991 na ginawa. So this is really old, like it's the same age as me. And sabi ko, it's really special kasi I want it for my birthday and you know, the same birth year kami. But don't get me wrong, guys. I really love this bag. Like, I treasure it. Like, up to now, parang, I'm still in awe na naging akin siya. But I decided to sell it because I don't use it enough. Maganda siya. Sobrang ganda niya. But, because it's vintage, yung leather niya, it's very delicate. Ako kasi, guys, hindi ako nagbe-baby ng bag. So, ito siya, napansin ko na kapag ginagamit ko siya, parang nako-conscious ako na, oh my God, nasan yung bag ko? Parang yung sa movements ko, kasi natatakot akong ma-scratch siya. Kasi, alam niyo naman na, you know, yung presyo nito ay hindi mababa. Sabihin na lang natin, hindi mababa. So, kapag nasa sasakyan kami, parang pinapaupo ko pa siya kaysa kay Daddy Mike. Parang ganun na level. So, ayaw ko nung ganun, guys. Kaya happy ako yung ibang mga bags ko na, kasi, you know, I have 2 kids. Nilalagyan ko ng mga kahit ano-ano sa loob. Tapos, parang, hindi siya sobrang kailangan ng alaga. But this one is, yeah, this one is different. So, kapag nasa sasakyan kami, kailangang ako nagda-drive, tapos si Daddy Mike nasa, passenger seat. Kailangang nakaganyan siya kay Daddy Mike. Kasi natatakot ako na masira. So, ayoko nang ganun. And, nilalabas ko lang siya kapag may okasyon. May birthdays, may pinupuntahan kaming mga dinner, ganun, nilalabas ko siya, ginagamit ko siya. But most of the time, she stays inside this box. And sabi ko sa sarili ko, it's not worth it. Kung hindi ko naman siya talagang ginagamit and it's just, stuck in this box here. Yeah, I can't take it na yung bag ay nandyan lang sa box, hindi ginagamit ng bonggang-bongga. Dapat yung mga bags natin, guys, ay talagang ginagamit natin. Yung ibang mga bags ko, like, oh my God, parang nire-rotate ko kasi marami naman akong mga bags. Pero ito siya, yeah, she's different. So, I decided na ibenta. So, a lucky lady bought it through eBay, kasi pinost ko siya sa eBay, guys. She bought it, I think, Friday or Saturday, and she paid straight away. Kaya kailangan ko na siyang i-post ngayon. And sabi ko, yeah, I will show, kasi hindi siya nagkaroon ng maraming exposure sa vlog. Sa vlog natin. Pakita ko ba yung loob, guys? Kita ko para But originally kasi, guys, yung gusto kong bilhin is yung double flap. But nung time na ako, like parang on the hunt ako that day, ay ito yung nakita ko na within my budget. So ito yung binili ko. So, i-share ko sa inyo kung saan ko to nabili, guys. This is from Japan. So, I'll show you. I-share ko sa inyo kung saan ko to nabili. So, I got this one from live selling, guys, sa Japan. And yung name ng kanyang page ay ito. I'll also put it sa screen para makita nyo. APB's Branded Authentic Japan Limited Co. So, yung may-ari nito, guys, si Tita A, Agueda Powers Bliss. Yan yung kanyang Facebook din. She is so lovely. Like, she's one of the most, like, kind seller na encounter ko, like, buying online. She just made everything easy for me, guys. Yung transaction na to, very smooth, very positive experience with Tita A. And I feel bad na hindi ko parang in-unbox to before and shared the yung parang seller, kasi she really deserve it na parang makilala ng lahat yung kanyang live selling, kasi sobrang bait ni Tita A. Alam niyo ba, nung sinabi ko na naghahanap ako for my birthday, ito pinakita niya, and guess what? Hindi niya ako pinagbayad ng shipping fee. So, siya yung nag-cover ng shipping fee. Just because it's my birthday, parang regalo na rin niya sa akin. And, alam niyo yun, like, I don't think may mga seller na ganun. Yun bang parang may seller na may puso din. Like, not just, selling. They also, like, friends and that. And to think na first transaction namin yun ni Tita A, I was very amazed sa personality niya, na kaya niyang mag-offer ng gano'n. Sabi niya, okay, if you really like this one, yeah, I can send it to you, like, free of charge ng shipping. Just pay for the bag. And she gave me the box, and also this comes with this little dust bag. So, yeah, if you are interested to know where, to buy, like, luxury handbags and that sa Japan, definitely check out APB's Branded Authentic Japan Limited Co. Sobrang dami nilang mga guys. Kasi may mga stock din si Tita A. At the same time, pumupunta sila sa mga stores sa Japan where they can do live variety of from Hermes down to whatever brands na gusto mo, meron sila, guys. This was the first and the last transaction namin ni Tita A, kasi hindi na ako bumili ng mga ganito after this. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, oh my God, I'm super contented na dito. But definitely in the future, kapag bibili ako ulit, I will use Tita A's services again. So now, I'm just saying goodbye to you, my little girl. Parang buang lang, guys. But yeah, sa mga handbag lovers, you feel me, guys. Alam na alam nyo kung ano yung feeling. But yeah, I hope that the new owner will love you, which I think she will. And one day, I'll get another one. Maybe hindi sa ganitong leather kasi yun na nga, maybe caviar is better for me para hindi ko i-baby yung bag. What are you eating lang?
Ham and cheese.
Cheese. And ating isang baby ay sleeping because she's very tired, guys. Hindi siya nag-nap kanina. So I just posted everything. Medyo natagalan si mami nyo, guys, kasi alam niyo ba, medyo marami-rami din yung pinost ko. Thankfully, thanks God, may benta. No? So very happy about that. So na-post ko na yung ano, guys, yung Chanel bag. And hopefully there's no issues from here now. And kasi sisend yun siya sa eBay sa Sydney, which is yung authenticator nila. Check nila ang condition and all. I declared everything naman. So hopefully there's no issues. So just send it to the buyer and that's it. That's the end of my Chanel Chanel bag. Bumili ako na to. Kakain ako, guys. Ooh! Fried rice. Ayan.
Cheesy.
We don't just eat the bread. Eat the...
No, I did.
Tulog pa man ang ating baby saying, we'll just, kain muna ako and then we'll go somewhere. We'll go to Op Shop lang.
Which Op Shop?
The one in the Venice one. Alam niyo ba, naboboard ko siya, guys. But, you're excited to go back to school? Palagi din niya akong tinatanong ilang sleeps na lang daw, babalik siya ng school. Sana all excited mag-school. Yung iba ayaw mag-school. Ito siya, excited. Let's eat na. Eat properly, go. Go. We're at the park, guys. Yan. Gising na ang ating baby singing. That's right, yeah. That's the park. Close the door, ate. Dalhin ko to. Bumili ako ng chips saka cold drink. Good job. Come on, let's go.
I did. I slammed it very hard.
Well done.
About like this hard. Oh! That hard.
That hurts.
Sorry. Sorry, Mommy.
It's okay. Careful, Nak. You don't want to hit the car with that.
I'm showing how hard. That's how hard.
So, walang tao dito, guys. Ito yung maliit lang na park. Take the girls here for a play before kami umuwi. So, after naming pumunta ng post office, pumunta kami ng Op Shop, guys. Nakabili ako ng isa. Tapos yung Nak, show Nak be. Tita and Tito, what you got from the Op Shop? Hey, show. Necklace siya na pwedeng i-open. Yeah, it's rubber. It's rubber. Yeah, swing, swing, swing. Hang on, give me a second. Just put it here. Nalinisin na bago yung ground. Oh. Hang on, give me a minute. Tignan niyo, ang nabili ko sa Okay. Ayan. Love this one. And nagustuhan ko, guys, is yung dito sa harap. This is from H&M. It's a little bit big for me, actually. Tinry ko. It's size 8, but medyo malaki siya sa akin. Ma-fix yan with the belt.
What should I put inside? Leaves?
Up to you, sweetie.
Leaves or crystals or both?
Both?
Okay.
Okay, I'll put you to the swing now. Okay, let's go. Let's go have some fun. No, it's not slide. It's swing. Can you say swing? That's right.
Come, look.
Ate swing. Na mommy will push you, okay? Whoa! Woohoo!
I know to use the swings.
Yeah, you're a big girl now, that's why.
I'm just gonna quickly get more higher.
Yeah. Oh, good.
Push.
Push. Push. Happy?
I can swing by myself around mommy.
Good job.
Mommy.
Yes.
Ours cute. Done.
Ooh. Hold on.
Yay!
Hold on.
Like this.
Hold on, ate.
I am.
Wow! Oh, may ginawa. Big girl na talaga sa Ate Paris kasi siya na lang yung nagpupush ng ganyan, oo. She can do it herself. Careful, ate, ha?
I am. I'm pulling so tight.
Lenny! Push? Huh?
Yeah.
What do you say?
Thank you, Mama.
Okay, please.
Please.
A few moments later.
We're home and may natanggap tayo sa mail. Nakita ko sa inyo. Inopen na dali may katala siguro yung sa kanya.
Wait, tara.
Ayan, mga damit ng mga kids guys. Binili ko sa eBay. Tingnan nyo. Oh my God. Lini! How cute is this?
Look at this.
Ate.
I would give five to that.
Got this one.
Guilty?
Country road pala to guys. Ayan, oh, may ano pa, may tag. Alam niyo ba, ano to siya? Mga pre-owned na ba sa eBay, yun yung binibili ko for kids. Kasi, it's obviously cheaper compared sa, pumunta ka ng mga shop. It's like very convenient kasi sa bahay ka lang. So, ito siya, parang isang ano siya, isang tindahan lang ito siya yung binilhan ko. This one is brand new, but yung iba manasuot na, pero still good condition pa rin. So, ayan. Super cute nito for Celine. Mostly kay Celine to siya, guys. Alam niyo ba? O, tingnan niyo. Mga, ano pa siya? Meron pa siyang mga ganito, oh. Pumpkin patch. Oh, how cute is that? Lynn, look at this. Beautiful. Sobrang cute, ah. Another one. May mga tags pa siya, oh. Nice. Yung sa shop niya kasi, mostly size ni Celine. Tingnan niyo guys. Wala, ang ganda naman ito, eh. Tingnan niyo, Bardo Junior.
It's there, Mama.
That's right. Yeah, just grab one, my love. Got this one. Cotton on. Pambahay. You're welcome, sweetheart. Get one and we close it, please. What happened?
I was having this thing, and
The Rolling Stones.
that's the button just break because how
bubble
this is rubber.
Oh no.
I don't know how it happened. I was trying to stick it on, but it doesn't work.
Maybe try with glue, honey. Try with glue.
I don't have it.
You'd find somewhere. Lily girl, can you close it now, please? I can feel it. It's cold.
Oh,
Cute naman ito. Another one from Cotton On. Celine na talaga. Yan. Singlet. May isa ata dito kay Ate Paris. Isa lang. Oh my God.
I got a skirt.
It looks so cute. Set pala to siya.
I have a skirt. Honey, I have a skirt.
Wow. Tingnan niyo. Oh, sobrang ganda. Isang set.
Ma, look.
And then, one for the Paris. Isa lang, kasi ito lang yung nasa ano niya eh, store niya. Sobrang ganda. Te, look, te.
I'm looking.
Anong size ba ito, babe? Mukhang malaki.
Yeah.
Five. Ate, look!
Oh my god. It's a beautiful.
How much is
At this time, naman ako. So, yun. Okay, grab one. Okay, go, go, go. Go. No more. Okay. Anong oras ba ngayon? Maya-maya magluluto na tayo ng dinner, guys. Oh, ewan ko lang. Uy, bakit yung dito ko sa likuran ba, very... Ano ang Tagalog ng highway, guys? Like, very... Fire? Ano ba yun? What is it lang? Fights, just put fights no. F-I... Luto tayo ng dinner, guys. Humiga ako kasi nagpa-daddy ako kay baby Sunny. GH! Aking buhok ay naansa na. Feeling ko ginigina ako kanina, guys. Sasakot ako ba? Kasi baka magkasakit ako. My God! Bawal magkasakit si mami. Magluluto tayo ng dinner. Ayan. I'm just gonna peel some apple for the girls. Tapos naluto na rin ako ng rice. Kasi rice is life. I think gagawa din ako ng sikwati ngayon. Ganun din ba yun sa Tagalog, guys? Sikwati? Yung tabliya ba? Gumawa ako kaninang umaga. Gumawa ulit. Binigyan ako ng pinsan ko na si Anthony, diba? Ng tabliya galing sa ano. Galing Bukidnon. Maramag tabliya. Tingnan nyo. Apat pa lang naman ito. Ayan siya, tabliya. Into hot water, sugar. And that's it. Meron pa pa, Ganito talaga yung tabliya na kinalakihan ko, guys. Ganito yung kanyang shape. Sinong nakakaalala? And the other day pa, pumunta kami ng... Saan ba kayo pumunta last time? Tingnan nyo. Ovaltine. Ito yung ginakain ko, guys, when I was maybe... 6, 7, ganon. Nung nasa Davao kami, ito yung paborito ko. Ayan, nababalik ka natin yung memorya. Ayan, nalinisan ko rin yung floor kayo na, guys. Kaya pagpasinsan nyo na, dyan po yung vacuum mo. Clean girl, dance with Ate!
That's what I'm saying. I don't think it looks like it's fine. When I watch it today.
Wow! Tingnan nyo, meron tayong ano dito, Snow White. Look at Mommy! Pumunta siya dito, guys. Sabi niya, I want dress. Sobrang laki. Sa kanyang ate man yan. Are you happy? See you! See you, Ling Ling!
What do you think? What do you think? Well, I think the real question.
Mommy.
Yeah?
Out.
You wanna off? I'll take it off.
Mommy.
Yeah, okay. Mama, take it off. How did you... Did you? Did you just do it straight, Bob?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Okay, tell her.
Tingnan niyo. Yeah. GGSS yun siya, guys. Gandang-ganda sa sarili, oh.
Have a look, Lini. Have a look in the mirror. Do you look good?
Do you like what you see, honey?
Do you look good, Lane?
Yeah, Daddy, yeah.
That's right. Have another look. Have a look. You look good?
Tingnan niyo yung
Wow.
salamin. Ay, punong-puno ng kanyang
Wow.
footprints.
Wow.
Fingerprint.
You're so beautiful, Lane. Wow.
Turn around.
Wow, so beautiful. Are you Snow White?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Can you blow a kiss? What? Naunsa na.
Mama.
Wow, it's very pretty. See you, Lene. Bye-bye, Lene. Bye-bye. Thank you for showing. Bye-bye.
Bye.
I love you.
Bye, Daddy.
Love you too. What do you think your daughter sees when she looks at herself in the mirror?
She can see herself, of course.
Does she like what she sees?
Ano? Tingnan niyo ang mukha. Matutulog na sana, guys. Narinig ang kanyang daddy mag-shower. Ay, sino ba yung nag-shower sa kanyang daddy?
I'll tell you.
Tingnan niyo. Very mainit yung tubig ng daddy niya. Pula-pula siya. Ay!
I'll tell you the title.
Ay, ay sila?
It's Mommy. It's Ala.
Be, read the title. Ang kanyang ate ay naka-ano na. Oh, baby. Ate, what book are we reading tonight? Here. Here.
So we're reading. I mean,
Oh, okay. Kisilinas ko. Nakaon na ang kanyang music kaya matulog na. Diyos ko, Lord. We're now reading a story, guys. It's bedtime. Nakalight lang ang ating camera. Circle.
circle, tops, circles, and each other.
In a wild bush dance. Ating baby Celine ay nagdidede na.